What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Card Infrared. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's unfortunate, man. The G37 broke down, man. Oh, no, not my baby, man. I'm over here at a gas station, man. Why she doing me like that, though? Why she doing me like that? But anyways, I think it's like some type of hose that broke in the back of here. You see it's cooling over there. It's like hella cooling. And I seen that I was smoking heck of man. I'm like, what? What's going on? And turns out that, you know, I think it's a hole in the back of here that pop. I hope so, but that's what I'm thinking. So, as you can see, it is a hole in the coolant on the floor. A whole lot. Coming from under the car. So, right now, I called the AAA driver, and he's gonna get me towed, and I'm gonna have to take it to the shop on Monday. I'm hoping that it's an easy fix. I really do, because man, I did not expect this, not at all. I mean, I wanted to take the G35 into the shop next week to go get some fluids changed, and then boom, this happened. So right now I'm doing really bad, man. I just wanted to share my L with you guys, man, because everybody in life take L's, and today I done caught an L, man. And I'm like, man, why is this gotta, why me? Like, why does this gotta happen? A coolant? Like, if anything, like, god damn, coolant, like, this is the one thing that I don't really, like, mess with, because, you know, your car gets too hot, man, you could burn a gasket, a head gasket, and I definitely don't want to pay for that. So, hopefully, everything is good. You know, I take care of this car really good for this stuff to happen, and you know, we're gonna see. Like I said, we're gonna see on Monday. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this video. I'm gonna make a part 2 to see what happens, but you know, right now I'm down, man. The G37 is down, man. Just look at me, man. Horrible, horrible. Never in my life I expected this car to be like this. The Acura used to do this on me, though. I don't know why, but this car, no. Not this one. So I'll catch back in with y'all when the AAA driver come and put this on a tow truck. Drop it down right now. It's starting to rain too. Oh, it's all good. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, like, this is the worst thing to see, like, when your car's in a tow truck.
Wait, tell me what to do.
Y'all, so y'all can see it's in the park, man. I'm gonna have to take this to the shop on Monday, but to find out, it's just a little hose that got unloosed in the front over there, so it should be an easy fix. So I'm gonna continue this video when it goes to the shop and stuff, so y'all can know officially, you know, what happened. So right now, this is gonna have to stay put. You see it's raining, just started raining, man. And I'm like, oh man, why this gotta be me? So go ahead and get out. As y'all can see, it's in the park and stuff like that, so it's safe. It's a little scooted over, but it ain't finna be the best. But we in between the lines. So, got the other one right here, but like I said earlier, man, it's good to have two cars because you just never know. You know, you just never know. I would have been assed out. So, yep, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna pick up the rest of this vlog as soon as I go to the shop on Monday, and we're gonna try to figure this thing out, man. So the G37 could stay alive. All right, y'all, welcome to the G37. Let me show y'all what hose broke loose. I believe it's called the heater hose. This is the next day. I'm waiting for the tow truck driver right now. But while we wait, let me show y'all what happened. All right, y'all see that hose right there? That's what broke loose, and that's what made all the coolant come out right there. So, and it still smell like hella coolant up in here. God dang. Let's see if it got. Yeah, it got some right here. You can see splatter right here. Ugh. I still got coolant in the reservoir, but yep, that's what hose that broke loose, y'all. So I don't think it's gonna be a cost-heavy job. Well, I hope not. As y'all can see, I'm in the G35 following the G37 to the shop. I don't know where bruh going. I don't know where he going. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. This tow truck driver kind of rude. The other one was cool as hell. Nigga, be careful with my whip, bruh. It's a rude ass. So yeah, y'all, I was trying to actually get a ride with him because I want to go up there with the dealership because they said that possibly it can be done today, right? So I was gonna ride and probably wait. I didn't plan on taking this car because as you can see, I barely got no gas. But he's like, oh no, you know, COVID precautions. He said, yeah, because of COVID precautions, you can't ride with me. I said, I just rode with the last one the last time. Oh, well, they had cameras and I talked to the dispatcher. They said I could ride with you. I didn't want to argue with bruh because I'm like, bruh, it's not even worth it. Bruh already came in kind of hostile. And as you can see, bruh, like, I don't know about bruh today. I don't know. Well, look at that. Oh my God. Man, that's that dealership price, but I'm gonna see about this too. Get the transfer case done, but it is the heater hose. So that's the price. If this ever happened to y'all, just expect to pay that price if you're going to a dealership. Disclaimer, if you go into a dealership, you always gonna have to pay the high. Y'all can go back to the other video and see why I like going to dealerships. I ain't gonna explain that all on this video, but if you're going to a dealership, just expect to pay that price. It could be a little cheaper depending on where you live or depending on what dealership you go to, but probably around that price you have to pay. So just to be expecting of that. So I'm about to get ready to leave right now and go get some gas, because man, this car needs some gas. All right, y'all, back in the G37 after it got fixed. Man, I'm so excited to be back in my car, man, but she a little dirty. I'm gonna walk around it so y'all can see, but let me see. So this was the estimate, but why I like coming here too is because she gave me a whole bunch of discounts, so end up coming out to $541, so almost saved your boy $100. So let's go ahead and do the first drive real quick. Let's see, and then we're gonna go pop the hood and make sure everything is in there, because I like doing that. I'm weird. Let's see, Big Bertha. Those pay $500. They can't even wipe your engine though. Here going here. Oh wait. No, it's connected. $500. They can't even wipe off the engine thing. Oh man, it's cool. I'll wipe it down this weekend. It's all fixed, but it smells like a whole bunch of burnt coolant though. I ain't gonna lie. They should have put some parts wash on it and washed it off. Y'all see this thing is dirty. Probably because of all the rain too, so. They didn't give her a bath or nothing. And then also, they got told it was raining, it was bad, and I think bruh, the shirt must have rubbed on here. And now it's hella dirty. Hella dirty right here. I gotta try to figure out how to get that off. It's hella dirty right here too. Oh man, I might have to call up Mark, y'all. Even though he be talking shit, I'm gonna have to call him. Temperature gauge still good. But I smell hella burnt coolant. I'm about to go back though, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all have to parts wash it or something. God damn. Still do that. Nah, but this is gonna be the end of the video. Everything is fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did not making it this time. Oh, and also real quick, I just want to shout out to everybody who was in my DMs telling me what was the problem of the car, and also just, you know, looking out for me. So I really appreciate that. I didn't want to end this video without appreciating y'all for that. So thank you. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the